Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about a Manta USDT trading pair with my custom set updates. Let's dive in. All right guys, you remember, like usual, the people here at $4, at $3 screaming we're going to the moon because of, and they share some fundamental things why the Manta is so great and we should go higher. But guys, let me ask you, when and how you will ever use in real life the Manta Pacific is EVM equivalent ZK application platform powered by Celestia DA and Polygon ZKVM. Are you really use it, or you just think if they add some tech explanation of their project, it should skyrocket? Because now it's a time when the crypto not pumped just because it's crypto. It was something new, you know, like startups in Zone 17, maybe in Zone 21, but now it's Zone 25. And the crypto don't have to pump just because it's a crypto with some fancy touch site, right, guys? Now the crypto with institutional pump just only when the market makers invest and put the liquidity in some tokens, and the fundraisers, right, put the price higher to distribute their bags at a higher price target. And Manta, it's not some special token. Manta, it's not a BTC. Even the BTC is not a special token. Let's be real. So the seed round for Manta was in February 2021. And imagine, February 2021, but only in January 2024, the Manta listed. We can't know even at what price do these guys, all these funds, you know, receive their allocation. And disclosed rounds also in October 2021, we can't know the price. What is good now is good. So ICO round was at 36 cents on Tokensoft platform. And now that guys, if they still hold and not sell their tokens, they in losses, in temporary losses, 41%. Why it's good? Because for many cases, we found out if some token pump, after the years or maybe after some time, you know, the token almost all the time come back to some fundraising rounds, you know, and now we're under the price of ICO round. So it means if that guys who distributed here, so imagine in Zone 21, they get a tokens, here they distributed during the last 1.5 year or 1 year, they distributed, and now they in losses. So technically, if they got an interest in Manta, they can start buying back, accumulate it, and put the price higher to do the same story like they did before with ICO rounds. So guys, it's just investment logic, right? So it's how the funds think about the assets. So just Manta is just a simple assets. And once again, guys, we are here for the money, not for the tech. I totally don't care about a Manta. And I showed you the zone of interest. So here at this zone, it was an okay zone to buy. Correction here, the people screaming, we never dropped to the $1. Here, we pump it from that zone. We drop it even under, but it was a logical entry with some amount of money, not 100% of your deposit. No, it's just maybe 1% of your deposit. It could be like on the spot, on the futures. You could fix the profit 58, 56%. Done. After that, we drop it to this block, to the OK zone to buy. With the chances, invalidate the idea and drop under 5 cents. Here, we pump it 26%. Then we dump it again. Can we drop and invalidate the idea on the Binance 5 cents? Yes, it's possible. Guys, I explained to you the invalidation of this idea after listing in January 2024. So it's more than real to see. What we can do? Can we know will we drop or not? No, we can't. We can't know what the big guys who get their allocation in Zone 21, what they will do with the tokens. We can analyze only the current data. The people try to predict the actions of the whales, but we can't. We can build the plan only what we can do with own money. Right, and with my indicator set, I did a mine, and this tool gave me the more option, more data to work with the data. What the whales do now, you know. So the mantra, it's the greatest example, and the take profit is not a shame. People complaining, oh, mantra is dumping because they sell. The mantra pumped it from 2 cents to $9. What they have to do? Hold it till $100? No, they in crazy profit, 36,000. The same story can be with the Manta. Is it possible so the Manta will pump to new all-time high? I guess yes. Now the Manta, imagine, low cap is 84 million, FDV 211, 41% tokens in circulation supply. But here, for example, now it's 410 million, right? 410 million. So $1 is 410 million market capitalization. So like half billion. So $2, it's more than real to see. It's like going to be like $2.10 is like 1 billion capitalization. It's more than real to see. At the top, Manta was capitalization here. Yes, 1 billion. Around 1 billion. So like 988 million market capitalization at $4. But at $2, it's going to be here around zero level. Maybe a little bit higher, 255, 27 block, and this gap, it can be 265. It will be like 1 billion market capitalization, right? But we're gonna be lower than $4. So it's more than real to see, guys. And we can't know in a moment, are Manta it's a pure scam or not? It's just a scam or Ponzi or what? We can't know. I hope not. And I think when BTC dominance will be under 50%, yes, guys, some information I repeat it all the time. Yes, because we get the same information for all altcoins, and we have to see the alts under 50% on BTC dominance. After that, the liquidity should inflow into alts. Now the BTC dominance 64 and 4. We can't talk about pumps on altcoins because the money inside of BTC, right? So we need to grab some liquidity from BTC, not into stable coins, but we need to use that liquidity from BTC into altcoins. So we will see. So the invalidation of idea, you remember, the zone of fixation profit, 100% profit, the strategy withdraw initial deposit, the zone of fixation swing trades, I believe in this targets, 255, 274. Yes, I believe in this one. If the Manta still will be exist on centralized exchanges, here the monthly gap. So here is a fulfill of monthly gap. This is going to be the next one, 238. So yes, it's possible. 1 billion market capitalization. Is it possible to see the 2 billion market capitalization? Basically, yes, it can be the $6, $7. It's hard to say. It's hard to say, guys. You can open the chart of SUI. Pretty same model, but SUI hold the line here and go something like this one. And maybe for SUI is going to be the end of cycle. So maybe with the Manta will be absolutely the same story. We have to check the vesting schedule. Not a big deal, right? Not a big deal for the upcoming unlocks, but still a lot. And here the team will start their unlock period in June. We can't know what they will do with their tokens. Will they hold it, or will they hold it and a little bit start distribute later, right at the top, because they can't, right, sell it in one click. Here is a institution, 5%, but they got a vesting schedule, so they can dump at any price. So guys, highly recommend it for each token. Go to CryptoRank, it's totally for free. Check the fundraising rounds, check the vesting schedule, and build a plan. Build a plan with a zone of interest. Check with my customer said, guys, what's going on. Let's hide all of these drawings. And guys, I highly recommend you go and check the first video about Manta. You'll be surprised how it performed. Technically, this is on a weekly time frame. This is not a distribution zone. ADC not at the top. It's more about accumulation. This is it. We're in capitulation since January 2005. It's a good one. Now, based on risk reward, 20 cents. We possibly can see that 5 cents, yes, it's possible, but based on risk rewards, now it's okay zone for accumulation. Yes, now I can say it. But with the chances go to under 5 cents. Money power here, it was a money outflow. Finally, money inflow we saw at 37. Would be good to see that one more money inflow on the weekly. Trade on, no data on the weekly, daily. Last one, sell, take profit, buy, bounce, close position, buy. Would be good to see another one drop, form some equal lows and go higher. in by end of April, May. Take profit, guys. We trade here on the FMA volume. Now we try breaking out the buy line. Buy line at this current moment is 21.6. Take profit 43.1. Exit line 48.6. Weekly time frame, I guess, yes, there is no data. 12 time frame, locally, we can test again the buy line. Buy line is 15.1. And take profit is 29.9. So to build this, to break this structure, we need to see something like this one here. Something like this one, retest and go higher. So this is it, what I would like to see for Manta. If not, if we'll see something like this one, not even break this high, we can drop again to 15 cents on a buy line on 12 time frame and form something like double bottom, and after that, pump it. So guys, I highly recommend you go and check free educational video how to work with initiation accumulation pump model. Pay attention for the fundraising rounds and the essential. Don't pay attention for the fundamental, guys, because you can see fundamental of Manta didn't change at $4 and at 21. It's absolutely the same. And pay attention for the first video what I shared about Manta here after listing. So guys, this is updates I believe in around conservative price targets, $2.50, so $1 billion market capitalization. Will we go higher? We'll see. If you want to trade with my customer setup, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you